Hi everyone, it's board certified plastic surgeon Sean Doherty from Boston, and I wanted to speak today about the thread lift. What is the thread lift? It's a non-invasive way of improving the laxity and the hanging down of the mid and lower face. So all of my patients are bothered by being on Zoom and seeing so many pictures of themselves, and they're looking for really non-invasive ways of improving that. And a thread lift is great as long as you're not looking for the effects and results of a facelift. An ideal patient for a thread lift is probably in their mid to late 40s, has not had procedures before, and is just looking in the mirror and doing this. They're looking for that subtle sort of improvement and not looking for the extreme results from a neck or a facelift. If they are, then that procedure is not for them. The procedure is done in the office. It has a minimal amount of discomfort. If you've been having Botox or filler, it can be a little bit more significant than that, but certainly doable as a day procedure, you going home and driving yourself. I put numbing medicine around the ears and clean the face, and then I put the suture underneath the skin, and it grabs the under layers of the skin and lifts up. And the procedure is done with this device right here. So this area is numbed. I make a poke hole through the skin, clean the skin, and this is placed underneath the skin, turn back, and the string, which you see right here, that's barbed, that's left underneath the skin, and that's what pulls up in the underlayer of the skin. The barb is made out of a suture material, which is not permanent. It's what I use in the operating room to do surgery, so I know that your body does well with it. It doesn't cause an irregular reaction. And again, it lasts about 8 to 10 to 12 months, and that's probably how long the thread lasts for. And the thread leaves a lingering stimulatory effect, which improves the quality and character of the skin. So again, the results last 8 to 10 to 12 months. Patients can be uncomfortable for a couple of days and nothing more than, say, a dental procedure, and their skin can feel sensitive for up to 2 weeks. All right, so I'm gonna show a picture here. This lovely patient sent me her before and afters, and you can see the before above and below. You can see where my poke holes are. You just see a nice kind of subtle improvement of her jawline, lifting up of the skin, not excessive, and I think she looks fantastic. And this patient has a little bit more of a dramatic result because I did threads and I also did filler to enhance the jawline. So she's red and irritated on the lower picture, then she just has this type of skin that gets irritated from procedures, but you can see that significantly enhanced jawline from both the threads and the filler. And I think she looks great. All right, guys, thanks for listening.